Hello everyone. Now take a cellophane like this and tie it from one side and make a bubble like this of this by pouring the air. Now paint it with green color and the red, and now use it as a stamp to make the flower like this. Yeah, just like this. You can make more of them. Now you will add some detail of yellow color. Yeah, just like this. These are the butterflies on the flower, right? Make the stem. Let's now take a paper and trace a circle on it. Now cut that circle out. Now make a smaller circle and a line on it using the scale and the pencil like this. Yeah, now cut them out like this. Now take a paper cup and stick that circle on the mouth of the cup. And now we'll make the eye on the paper cup like this. Yeah, just like this. Now we'll make a mouth also. Yeah, just like this of this shape. Now color it with any color you want. Now we can add the coin and the straw to that cup, right? Now let's take a straw and cut it like this using a scissor. Just do it very carefully and tie the strip like this as shown in the video. Yes, just like this you have to do it. Now cut the extra part out. Use the scissor to make some more strips. Now open the straw like this and cut the extra part. Yes, we have made a some insect, right? And it looks like a lobster. Wow, it is so interesting to make it. Take a sheet and cut it out like this. Now take the green sketch pen and make it like this. Yeah, just like this. Now fold it. Yeah, and stick the end like this. Now squeeze it and now we'll make some markings on it. Yes, we are making a caterpillar which is looking very tiny and cute. Now we will pour water on it. It will grow like magic. Wow. Thanks for watching.